Looking for that crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside Nigerian buns? Then look no further, because in this video you learn how to make soft, crunchy and delicious Nigerian buns. And trust me guys, you can eat up to 10 at a go because it's so good. So don't skip any part so you don't miss out on any important information and tips. Let's get started guys. So you're going to start with your flour. This is 3 cups of sifted flour. Its equivalent is 375 grams of flour. Then add half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg. Please don't skip the nutmeg, and 1/3 cup of powdered milk. Then go ahead and mix up all your dry ingredients together till all the dry ingredients are very well combined. Then make a well in the middle. Wait, is this a well? I don't know, but I'll just call it a well. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Then use your hands and mix this properly. Make sure that there are no big chunks of butter. Make sure that the butter is very well mixed and very well combined. So butter or margarine, anyone is okay for this recipe. So when you're done mixing, you should have something like this. You should look like this, just like this. Then make another well in the middle and you're going to crack in an egg. I used 1 large egg for this. I'll just mix, then go in with some water. I'm going to add half cup of water first. Then I'll go ahead and use my hands to mix this. Mix properly till it comes together. Then I'll go in with the other half of the water that I'm going to add. So I'll go in with the water. I'm not going to add all of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix till well combined. So I went in with the last bit of the water. So I went in with 1 cup of water in total. You don't want to over mix this, otherwise it's going to be stretchy and chewy somehow. So at this point, this is what it should look like. So if you want a more crunchy and a bit hard buns, you know, that type of rock hard buns that you can use to stone somebody, if you want something like that, you don't need to add water to this. Okay, at this point it's okay. You're just going to cover this for about 5 minutes and let it rest, and then when it's well rested you can start frying. Okay, but if you want it a bit softer, crunchy on the outside and a bit softer on the inside, then you're going to add in some water, just as I did. So I added about 1/4 cup of water, and can you see guys, this one is a bit stretchier than the other one. It's way stretchier and softer than the other one. So when you're done mixing, you just want to cover this also for about 5 minutes before you start. Okay, so let me show you how to scoop and drop in the oil when you're ready to fry. So you just scoop like so and just press down using your thumb and your, my kids will call it the mommy finger. Yeah, so the thumb and the second finger, you're just going to have it in and then you're going to press it down. I don't know if I'm explaining properly guys, but watch closely, I'm sure you understand what I mean. So let me do it once more. So just have your batter in and then just press it down like so. Okay, I know at the beginning you might get really funny shapes, but don't worry, the more you keep doing it, the better you get at it. So heat up some oil in your pan. Make sure the temperature is not too high and not too low. Let it just be at medium. If you don't know if your oil is hot enough, just take a little bit of your batter and throw it into the oil. If it comes up the oil after about 5 seconds, then you know that your oil is hot enough and then you can start frying. Okay, don't use high heat, otherwise the outside is going to be fried and well brown while the inside may be raw and undercooked. In case you notice that the buns is frying really fast, is getting brown really fast, then you want to reduce the heat a little so that the inside will get to cook. Also, I'll say that if you're frying your buns, make sure to use lots of oil. Okay, buns needs to be deep fried. If you use less oil, one part might get fried and the other part might be raw on the inside. So to avoid that, it's best to use lots of oil to deep fry your buns into perfection. So if you're still watching this video and you still haven't liked this video, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and if you feel like this video might benefit somebody, feel free to share to that person or persons. So fry your buns till golden brown or till you're satisfied with it. Just make sure it's well fried before taking it off heat, and then you can place in a paper towel for it to cool down completely. So after it's cooled down, guys, look at what our buns look like, and trust me when I say that these were so delicious. So what will you be pairing this with? Some cold Fanta, cold Zobo, or do let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.